Hello, good afternoon, dear students of EFL. You are very welcome. Today I am going to explain a little bit about conditionals. What do you have to know before studying conditionals? Let's have a look. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the zero conditional. What is the zero conditional? Basically, are two clauses that talk about scientific facts, or they talk about things that happen all the time. Let's have a look to this. In this case, we are talking about factual situations. What a person would do in a certain situation. They are probably using their imagination to talk. The first thing you have to do is to identify what is the if clause and what is the result clause. So let's have a look here. What do you think is the if clause? This will be easy. Talking about the first exercise. This is the if clause. So we need a comma in the middle. You can see it here as well, but I need you to observe what is the if. Then you can find if and what is the verbal tense of the sentence in the if clause. It's present. What about the second or the result clause? The verb is in present. So that will be the rule for the zero conditional. Remember that in zero conditional, you will need present, present. And if you start with the if clause, you have to use the comma then. Let's do the following thing. Yes? Okay. Now, doing this, we find out this. In this case, it's different. The if clause is this one. Now you can observe that you are not starting with the if clause. You are starting with the result clause. So in this case, let's have a look. How do I know that I'm starting with the result clause? Basically because you are not starting with if. And in this case, the verbal tenses are the same, are equal, do not change. For example, let's have a look. We have here spend is in present, is the same. But now, you don't use the comma. And after if the same. You, buy, and then the verb is in present. Let's have a look at the sense of the sentence. It says, if you buy a first-rate product, you spend more money. The person who is using this conditional is 100% that this is going to happen. For that reason, they are called factual situations. And for that reason, it is called real conditional. Because it's something verified. If you buy a first-rate product, a good product, you spend more money. Why? Because it's a product of quality. So the person who says this is 100% sure that they will spend more money or that they spend more money. The person that says this is completely sure that you spend more money if you buy a first-rate product. So in this case, you find this. Perfect? This is the first. In this case, this is the explanation of the zero conditional. I will be leaving some links so you can practice your zero conditional. And if you want more, you can write me to the blog or you can write me a message and I will extend this. Remember that this is part of EFL Diary. So if you want to continue practicing, follow us in Facebook and Instagram. See you around!